Chidinma carry come, let's be
Reynolds and Bush.
We the time I say we speak French before and not Greek.
Yes.
Say, you see that song? Nakatim Papa, the uncle, your last born, where they from inside the same compound, where they go market together. That guy, now he write the script of this song. So, je le pas joue, je toi, le vous, le vragaba.
Oui, si, le coupé du bamba.
Les châteaux, les vous, les tout là. Les exhibités, les indépendants, les coupés, les bamba. Les welcome. Les night show, les voulez-vous, les happy for the moto one neck. Oui. Anyway, now welcome on. No mind today now. Independence. You want to talk for the youth? That's independence. Anyway, happy independence.
Happy independence now.
Independence. No, mistake. That one, a mistake.
No. You use the spell and backward. I don't know why sometimes you just like to doubt yourself. I'm going to go to me. I feel back spirit. See the confidence in your mind about my spirit. I don't care for tongue, and that word is law at that point in time. So therefore, today's word of the day. Other word?
Independence.
Yes. So, happy Independence Day from all of us here, on Top Night Show. We are ready to rock and rumble. Royal Rumble. Maybe wrestling.
If you not see cutting for night. If you not see cutting for night.
Not be here for night time.
Forget this thing what cutting they do. If you not see cutting, they show herself for night.
If
you not see where, you see the Bible say they reveal themselves forth. Romans chapter 32 verse 2, they reveal themselves forth. If you see where cutting, they reveal herself forth.
Hey, they do.
Anyway, today on Top Night Show, our phone numbers don't they open. They go there on TV right now. Make una begin they call us. Make una tell us what be those things where you like about Nigeria and what be those things where you don't like and what be that thing where don't change. At this time last year it not day, but now it don't day.
Yes.
And what do you think say if them do we know say light don't they? Somebody talk say.
I don't know about you. I can more power. I don't know about you.
Somebody talk say change don't come now. See everything don't block now. Not for drink anything. And don't forget we get Chidinma Miss Kedi Kevo inside the studio.
Hi. You know, a happy New Year. We're supposed to tell them because now I don't New Year for Nigeria.
Chidinma, I beg. What do you think about this thing where it just happened now?
I'm a fans, now I'm forgetting I don't like a superstar. So when time I see a superstar, it then may say that so I just be like a trampling leaf.
Oh! He embarrass me for outside now.
So you said that what I'm saying now don't make sense. Is that what you are telling me?
Happy 55th birthday to Nigeria.
To
Nigeria.
Okay.
To Nigeria. All of us now be Nigeria. Chidinma, how is you? How is your ministry? You see this girl, is what you call tomato juice.
Why?
She no whether she bath or not, she's the same thing. As some Pt.1, you may go feel.
Wait, this one.
Chill, they go feel.
Okay, this one not a bleach.
No, she not the bleach. Chidinma not the bleach. We not put the bleach.
No.
Don't
call them now.
Don't the bleach now. We know.
No, now you not.
Who again with the bleach? Hey, this girl. This girl where they do raga. I don't want to call her. Hello from Lagos. Good evening.
Hello.
My sister in the Lord. How is you?
Alpha.
Are you? Is it Alpha or I'm fine? Hello.
Hello.
Talk now, Ejigia no. The whole your mouth.
Nedu.
Give one kwa.
The room.
Bye.
So our phone numbers there on top of your TV now. Just call us.
Know, yes.
As I take bill you for body, what be that thing where you feel say don't change for this country? What be the thing where you like, where you not like to about the country? Call us now. And also you can talk to Chidinma, the tomato just hey,
Anthony, we see you on top Twitter. Woo! Today I don't know whether it will be your lucky days.
Anthony Mecheta say big. I am a writer. Now today I get time work. Okay. Organic, you take time. Okay. Why una know? Well,
Happy independent.
Independent, my brother. You need to go to school and you call yourself writer. What you write?
Independent.
Yeah. Okay. The guy is correct. Independent. Now one. Independence.
Now two.
Now multiple. Now in the talk for this year own. Independent.
Okay.
So independent is singular. Independence is present continuous participle pronoun.
Okay, so now in Ibado, you happy independent mean that we did very wrong.
Yes.
So but I did happy independent.
Independent. Hello, good evening, Alakunle.
Hello, Nedu.
Hello. Happy independent.
I am with you. They say I not do much today for Kwara. Why?
How you there?
Fine.
Catch him.
Ma?
They greet you.
I greet you too now.
Easy beat.
Yes, boss. Good evening. I did, Baba. Good evening.
How you there now?
Fine. Happy independence.
What you say? It's KD.
Bros, how far now?
How you there?
I did alright, I did.
Happy independence, so.
I wish you same.
My brother, if you just talk one independence for everybody now. Oh, yeah, talk. What be the things where if you say you don't like about Nigeria, and what be the things where you like? What be the things where if you say don't change as at this time last year to now?
Not light, so.
Light, Abby.
Yours light.
But thank God, it don't improve now.
Light done the day now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. You don't talk finish, Okwaya?
Sure.
You don't chop this night? You don't chop this night?
Nah, I'm like, just stop finish.
You just chop Amala finish now? Again, Waka. Good night.
Okay.
Hey, Chi baby, how is you?
All right.
How is your minister? Bye now.
All right. Stop. Yeah.
Hey, me Chidinma, you see how she dey fine like this? Hey, I don't see plenty people don't talk say, hey, if only I can touch the hem of Chidinma's garment, my life will be made whole. You not gonna understand the spiritual talking. Are you not in the spirit? Plenty people where I don't ask question do. When I say who will be the person where you go like marry with this industry, see whether industry or not, so you go like marry Chidinma.
Why? No, it depends.
Which cream they use bath?
No, na the soap. Na black
I don't know,
soap.
because yesterday I see something on top Twitter. Person tweet to Linda Ikeji. Then I say, Linda, please, how can I get you to Chidinma? Like I went to her hometown in Imo State to get her contact, but I failed.
Jesus!
That's why I just didn't. So what did happen for this country?
We did not keep Nadia.
But you don't marry first.
She never married now.
I never married.
Chidinma is single.
No, let us know. No, because I'm under the camera, under the radar, and under the water.
No, but Chidinma, how you take the handle all these guys where they say, we love Chidinma.
I want to give you heaven.
I want to give you heaven.
To buy you everything.
I want to give you Bella. I want to give you twins.
Say, I just want to give you Bella. Simple. Simple. That is all.
He won't give you Bella. He won't just dash you Bella.
He just won't dash me like that. Just like that.
Just give you. Make you carry the go.
Hey! Go away. Make you carry.
Hello, good evening.
Or make it okay. Maybe one pair and me yours carry the.
No, not be no one pair. Now he won't dash Chidinma Bella. He won't just give him.
Take away.
Just give him food.
Take away.
Just give him food, Bella. Hello.
Twins.
Hello.
I'm hearing you.
We dey hear you too. Ngwa talk. Chidinma dey here, and we tell you make you talk something. Talk am before you talk to Chidinma.
Are you with me?
I am with you one now.
I'm happy to get you first time caller.
Hey! Wait, make I sing your first time caller song. Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh wow! Welcome to the show. jam me. Yeah, daddy and you no more for one make up.
Vino, we enjoy una time, Vino. How you doing?
Talk to Chidinma.
Chidinma.
Bros.
I don't know when I go talk, but you too much.
You too want give am belle?
No, I don't marry. I don't marry.
Your wife dead there?
My wife is here.
No wonder. I think your wife not dead there. You go talk. You're a bad guy.
No.
I'm a very good bad guy.
No, my
epilepsy. Your wife don't collect that. Come on, give me that voice. You want to talk to Chidinma? Hello?
How are you independent?
Who they talk?
Another person was really so.
Now what they talk now?
Oh, and another person. How is you?
It's fine, it's fine.
Talk to Chidinma.
Chidinma.
Oh, gotcha.
See, I want to say one thing about you.
Okay. Okay.
And the thing is that I like the way you have kept your movies, as in your songs, as in your videos. I am very happy about it. It is plain, it is void of, when I see...
Which one of our video where you like?
We don't like it, but the way you have made your videos, you understand? Even as our children can come out and watch these movies, these videos with us, you understand? So, what I'm trying to say is that I want you to keep the pace. You understand?
Yeah.
Just keep it like that.
Thank
we
you.
love you the way you are.
Thank you.
Which of the videos you like, pass? Oh, you don't hook. Like don't go. Bye-bye. Help us greet your wife. From Owerri, good evening. How is you?
Yeah, original from Owerri.
Original. Chidinma here.
Katim Angola.
Hey! You know, say this way this guy they do now, eh? He say in original. He call me Edu Brazil. You know, say Igbo put do that thing. He say, hey, he go to China.
So I'm in Angola.
You will be Katim Angola.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
My original. I didn't put it.
Is it
Mozambique? Is it Mozambique?
Okay. Original Chidinma na wetin?
Chidinma Owerri.
Oh yeah, now I'm going to talk to Chidinma.
Oh, God, how far now?
How you doing now?
I do alright.
Almost say you don't they shine like our Nepal like we know they go again.
Original. Speak Igbo with Chidinma. Chidinma go speak Igbo for you, ngwa.
In Anuku Owerri.
Oh, Anamanu where ma.
Happy Independence Day.
I wish you same.
Ngwa bye, don't do.
They do what you talk just now.
You know what I want to tell you?
What's with that?
I just continue to do what you do. Seriously, we do your back.
Thank you very much.
All right, just continue doing it.
You don't continue before now.
Thank you.
Bye.
Happy Independence.
What's his dog?
I say you sabi and where.
He done.
You see your Igbo done where.
He done for free. She remain. Mike from Moscow say, Happy Independence. Chidinma is over beautiful. God bless you, her mother.
I want to give her
my heart.
Thank God, son of a belle.
From Moscow.
Chris Otto say, I beg Chidinma, quick Mario, make you not
stay for park.
Okay, make you not stay for park. Chidinma, if Chidinma marry 10 years from now, people go line, they go kill. I fit unmarried to marry Chidinma.
I think they try fix me. I just get confused.
So how many people they line now?
I don't feel count to my guy. People just tell me now that me go stay for queue first before I even think of anything.
Yeah. What do you think about Easy Beats? You go feel married?
No, I'm not going to marry Easy Beats.
No. You cannot just throw away my Easy Beat like that. Easy Beat is very hot cake in this vicinity, this environment.
I know. What I try to be say.
Not change your mind, though. Not change your mind.
Why go change my mind? Me and you now. How I go day house? I go talk say I dey sing, abi? I dey try write song. Easy Beats go day one corner go do. You
not go now. What you want to go? What do I mean? See, you need somebody like like me. like so you know somebody that will just be there telling you telling you it's okay. My money long, my money too long. I pack my money in the lorry. You know, give you rhymes
and rhythms.
Oh Jesus!
So we make music together.
You understand? We make music. I make a hit. Nicki Minaj will be beefing us.
Yes.
Who is Vico? Vico can't stand up. I said because the vex say they not nominate him.
I say I just
no, but maybe you know say I like him because
you know say people they deceive that guy.
I like him.
No, they don't give him confidence.
Yes, he get confidence in what in the sing. I don't know about
no, but you know say people they laugh him. They hail him. Ain't he say na hailing for good?
And he con dey blow.
And he con dey blow with the laughing.
Na so.
You go shock you that the guy will get endorsed.
He got the vex now. Who go endorse him? Monkey tell apparat ya. Now he go endorse him.
Not maybe power oils. You know some kind of breeze oils. Those kind of things.
Maybe
Can you something come? You know.
I want to say condom company. I don't talk already. Anyway, Chidinma, I been see your new video featuring MI. You don't. Where wanna see that money?
Which money?
I don't know where clients see that.
So in everything, not only that money part.
My sister, that money. You know, say my money is long. But Chidinma can't get white hair. If you see the money, Chidinma can't the catwalk. Wait, look at you. And so I just see my money. It just come. You like this. You wear white, one white hair, constant. My money is long. Hey! Oh, you know that? I not can't look the video. I can't imagine say they give me this money now. What I go can do? I say I'll go buy first start. The whole of first start.
Pursue everybody.
I'm gonna pursue everybody waiting. Anyway, our phone number is open. We're gonna begin the call us. Thank you for telling her. From Port Harcourt, good evening. Sorry, so we'll not take calls. Sorry, from Port Harcourt, Biko.
Hello.
Yes. Now, what's your name?
My name is Ifeoma.
Hey, it sounds like man, one kind. I know the concept. Ifeoma, how is you?
Fine.
How is your ministry? Are you with him,
Ah?
Junk file. I dey hear you now. Are you there? How today? Happy Independence.
One girl is a woman.
Now, woman, I tell you.
Yeah.
Hello?
You dey hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
Happy Independence,
Independent, only celebrate time. What's in Nigeria, I don't achieve nothing.
Okay.
Oh, so for your mind now, will never achieve anything.
No.
So nothing don't change.
Make them try.
Make them try.
Keyboard, yes. Kidnap since last year.
Okay. You get light?
You get light?
No light, though.
My
where
sister,
they stay?
you don't pay your bill?
I don't pay my paper bill.
I'm not sure say you don't pay bills. Because if you don't pay bill, light don't they everybody don't they give that testimony, say light don't they.
People they put their light for free.
Okay, where you they stay?
I go that. And they say what you.
Unwosu.
I say for work estate.
WAP estate.
Yes.
Oh, you know that where did you go productions for? What for which side? For Ajao?
For Port Harcourt.
For Port Harcourt.
For Port Harcourt. Jesus.
You see, if I just say no light, you check whether you don't pay the light bill.
Yes. Because some
Because
people
light
get
don't
light.
they
Light don't they do.
Yes.
Light don't they
People
do.
they package their light say put inside store in case.
For
They
real.
go just
What do
test
they do now? Generator now just to
No,
just to
just to warm up.
warm
I say the warm car.
you know?
Hello, from Calabar. Good evening. Okay.
Adebo Wale say, I bet Helen asked Chidinma how far with her education. Boyfriend full everywhere, say amen, Chris. But husband scarce. Nedu will not make heaven. Because una know they show us past. Yeah. Una they show us
I
past.
think this one they talk.
Aluta say, happy independent to Nigeria, home and abroad, living yet unborn and delayed. Improvement in power supply. FIFA Aluta from yours.
See the picture, say the guy raise hand. This guy, when he go ahead, I go collect hair from the hand of devil. Anyway, because of so they celebrate our 55, called 55th, called independent.
Excuse me.
Independent.
Auntie, you don't engage.
No.
So waiting.
You know that thing where exclusive do? Where Ghost mode. You see me, you don't see me. You understand me.
But the exclusive don't marry today.
Okay.
Hey, plenty girls don't suffer.
As in, girls they cry.
They are
why exclusive do us like
two girls when they my BB and see me.
Their heart
exclusive is your friend, he's your colleague. Is it true that it's getting married? I say yes. I can't snap the picture. I can't get the picture of the one where he and the wife sit down for chair. Can't send that to them. Then the girl shout, Jesus. You know, capital letter,
Long
Jesus, with exclamation mark. Bam, 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 bam.
Before the exclusive, before exclusive, no one before.
One video vixen, Juliet. Hey, I don't call her name. Hello, from Lagos. Good evening.
Good evening.
How is you, my sister in the Lord?
I am fine.
You get light?
I do.
Yeah.
I do. We don't get light too.
Why? You don't pay bill?
Which side of Lagos did they stay?
I don't get light. Na NEPA they use.
Which side of Lagos did they stay?
Isolo.
I
don't go pay bill. This shall be like you.
Eh? This shall be like you. What do I do now?
Isolo.
You know they pay bill.
Oh, okay.
When I don't get light yesterday.
Oh, yeah, talk to Chidinma. Talk to Chidinma.
Chidinma, you be Imarama no. Imarama wine.
Chai, thank you, my sister.
Chidinma Imarama wine. Ya sam Pt.1 yama. Hello, kubo.
Baby, you are in the spirit. You are in the spirit.
You made the mama one day. Bruno Gawan.
Hey! Apa you never all the good money.
All the mama.
Hey! Bye bye.
Okay.
Again, patara rape case you can go to Nigeria.
Gani kanonko?
Rape case,
Rape case.
Oh, it's a wide rape. Plenty for Nigeria.
My sister. Now you say you never branch India. India, then come back to Nigeria.
My sister, would they pray about them and would they do plenty things? No worry, you go better.
Because all got them.
Are you? Hey. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Look, watch one video.
Chidinma, go marry Terry G. Una call him man.
God of Jesus! I reject it.
Chidinma, you are looking so beautiful. I love your outfit. Oh, Chidinma, I like the way. They do help me tell Chidinma say I like the way she keep it natural.
Not being you right.
No earrings, no makeup. Yeah, no much makeup. # natural hair. Yes, I mean us. So you sit down like this in your television. Did you pause?
You know, say as we talk so now,
TV?
you know, maybe now those kind of people when besides they watch, then go they snap, check out. If they don't take it, look up.
Then you go check, you go tag them.
Anyway, now 55th Nigerian birthday. Make we watch one song where I love so much. Wait till me that Kodo do a great nation about Nigeria. If you don't love this country, after you hear this song, you go love this country. What you talk?
Shout out to the Lord. That's what Chidinma call me. Phone number, they might be a bio.
If you don't know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.